In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in a table. In Google Slides, rotating text inside a table cell is a handy way to fit longer labels into narrow columns. And while Slides doesn't rotate cell text directly, there's a simple workaround using a text box. Let's get started. First, open Google Slides in your browser by heading to the Slides homepage and signing in if you haven't already. Once you're in, select the presentation you want to work on by clicking its thumbnail from your list of files. This will open the presentation in the editor where your table is located. Now move up to the top menu and click Insert. A drop-down will appear with several options for adding content to your slide. From that drop-down, click Text Box. Your cursor will change so you can draw a new text box on the slide. Move your cursor into the empty slide area just above the table. Then click and drag to create a small text box in that space. Keep it roughly the size of a table cell so it'll be easier to work with later. With the text box ready, go ahead and type the table label you want to display. This is the wording that will eventually sit inside the cell, so enter it now exactly as you want it to appear. Once the label is typed, click the border of the text box so the whole text box is selected, not just the text inside it. You'll see the selection handles around the entire box. Next, head back to the top menu and click Format. In the drop-down that opens, click Format Options. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen with several formatting categories. Find the rotation area in that panel and click the Angle field. Here you can select the angle value you want, or click 90 degrees for a straight vertical rotation. Your text box will rotate immediately to match. Now click the border of the rotated text box again so it's fully selected. Drag the selected text box across the slide and drop it into the empty top left table cell where you want the label to appear. Finally, grab one of the corner handles on the text box and drag it inward until the label fits neatly inside the cell. Adjust until the rotated text sits comfortably within the cell boundaries, and your rotated table label is complete.